What exactly is an ISMS? An Information Security Management System, or ISMS, explains and illustrates your organization's approach to information security and privacy. It assists you in identifying and addressing the dangers and opportunities surrounding your important information and any other linked assets. That, in turn, protects your organization from security breaches and also minimizes the impact of any disruptions that might occur. With the help of an information security management system, you can comply with various regulations, including the GDPR and ISO 27001. The CIA model is a common model used to design an ISMS. The C stands for confidentiality. No unauthorized people can access or use the data in any way that is not explicitly permitted. The I stands for integrity. This means that the data has to be free of errors and tampering, and it's stored in a secure location. The A stands for availability. That means that it must be straightforward for authorized individuals to access and use the data.